Continuing dental education programs, I think these conferences hold a lot of importance because here you interact with people who learn cases that they have experienced, they have done over time.
I think for most of the dentists is when they prepare the canal and when the files break inside the canal. So that is a challenging aspect in dentistry, but right now there are many techniques to bypass the instrument. There are many techniques to remove the broken file. So that is the aspect that people come here to learn from them, and they can eventually practice the same in their practice for such type of cases. That's how they can upgrade their level of dentistry and their level of practice in their clinical scenario.
To be linked with not just 10 people, 50 people, but 75,000 people across the world is a very big deal. This is the first mega event by Dentalkart. We are trying to find out what actually is the need of the dental community in India. What are the topics which people want to learn? What are the pain points of dental community? We're trying to find it out and trying to solve it with our education platform, our community platform. We are also coming up with Shark Tank kind of thing on Dentalkart, where you can put what is your idea and we'll try to support you in some way. This is the overall takeaway from this event for us, and later on we hope that we come up with better ideas, bigger events in future. Thank you so much.